$6. August, July, maybe that one. It's July. I think OKX is the one. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, look at that. We're above the value area. High. Break. Back test. Back test. High lows. Some volume node there. Okay, that's correct. All-time high. And it's correct as well. So you got correction. You have two correct values there. All-time high and all-time low. The volume is all the way down there. We're above this range. Just missed the golden pocket. The 382 is acted as resistance, and then it's broken up above the 50%. So we're in the upper half of this range right now. The upper half. We're at the bottom of the upper half of this range, which is above the 50. How much lower are we from the current price to the all-time low? 78% lower. How much higher? 300% higher. This looks like it's been in a higher time frame consolidation pattern, potentially. I mean, it did go high up there, but is that 5 waves? It's hard to tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, maybe that was the wave 1, huh? But then look, this is the thing. Like, it looks like 5 waves, but you made a new all-time low. So actually, you ignore it. That's not a wave. That's not like the Elliott count resets. This whole thing is consolidation now. So that's how I would look at this token if anyone's looking at this, because you've made a new all-time low. So the whole thing's a consolidation range. So actually what we're looking to do potentially with this is create the first impulsive wave. Maybe we're in it now. Maybe we've experienced the first impulse. Let me have a look. See what these candles are looking like. Hide that. Oh God, I would love to go all the way back down to 0.1524 $. That'll be nice, sir. Sell, big volume sell, low volume buy. I think I'd like to come back and test something on this higher time frame a little bit. Probably like a little bit of a test now. Two monthly levels there. It's like a 3 monthlies. It's quite strong down there. It's quite strong. You have a strong level up there. Just above us is 6. So there's the 6. We haven't gone into the 12-month. Yeah, I think I'd like to see down on this first, actually, before we go up. I don't know if I want to see up right now. I'd want to see more volume as well. It's hard to tell though. Yeah. Suppose range. Second range. The third range. Got a weekly level there. We're just underneath a washed weekly level now. It's been washed though. There. And there's one up there that's unwashed, untapped. In the value area high. It's a bit of resistance above us right now. In the golden pocket. Probably, I don't think this has got much more room to move. Because you have your golden pocket. There you go. You have your golden pocket with a untapped weekly level into the value area high of this initial range, the first range that was formed, the value area high. Got a bit of confluence just above us to go down. Could this be wave? Are we in the first impulsive wave? Possibly. Possibly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not very impulsive. So I think on this token, and then try and accumulate somewhere lower. think this is the place. Find support there. Nice, just under the 382. Maybe be impulsive. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could we be coming in for a 4 and that was the 1? It's possible too, huh? If this was the 1. 2, that's 3. Started there. A bit of volume, no, increasing volume. That's good. That's what we want to see. Increasing green volume, that's good. That's what you want to see. I think that would be a good entry if it finds support. Be like roughly the 382. It's not precise. And that would be good because on the 6-month time frame, you'd get like a back test of this candle here. That would be nice to kind of, for the candle to come back, touch that to go up, or just to form a candle which is going to touch one of these previous wick highs first. It would look better for the chart to form a more constructed chart, not just like a rubbish chart. Go down and go up. I think this is in a consolidation range anyway, and if this, I mean, if the high is a little bit higher, it might work as well. Maybe this isn't the high. Little push up. Just into that weekly. Into that running moment. Actually, I think if we haven't formed a 5 wave yet, we may not even, like, I don't even know if this is impulsive enough, to be honest with you. So I'm just making this up. But the best entry is not going to be there. Best entry is going to be here. I want to get in on here. right there. Yeah. I think if I was looking at more volume, I'd have a different perspective on how this moved up. Again, you just want to see increasing volume, and I'm not amazed. I'm not like, wow, this is crazy volume. There's a lot of interest in this. We need to buy the dip. So therefore, you almost want it to go down. That's really where you want to catch this, to be safe. Better to be safe than sorry. That's what I'm thinking. But who knows? Like, I mean, it could just go up. Who knows? And then you miss it. Who cares? Doesn't really matter. You just want to be safe. I think it would make sense for it to come back for support and see where there's increased volume and interest to go up. So we have to find out where that level is, where people are actually interested to buy. Could it fall back down? If this is the wave 1, 1, 2, 3, maybe it's going to do a 5 and then correct to do that. I think that's where you want to get it. I think you want more volume down there. Maybe something like that. You know, when you look at these things and you look, oh wow, look at this. This is some kind of accumulation. Now you just want it to test somewhere. You know, that's what you're looking for now, the test, to see if this holds, basically. I think that's what you're looking at. So if you were to reverse it, look, that's the inverse. Yeah, that's looking pretty, that's like a rounding top, isn't it? Like a rounding, it's a rounding top. That's the neckline, the line that I've drawn. Invalidation of a rounding top is going to be to get back above the neckline. That's the invalidation of the rounding top. In this context, as in the inverse, that would be quite bullish. So obviously this is the inverse, so this would be bearish. If this happens, then you're looking for more consolidation, more volume is needed. But if the price can't get back into the neckline, then maybe you do get continuation, and that's the entry for this idea. And that's basically what you're looking at. And then whatever happens, you're going to need volume to push the price up. It can't just be, you know, like on the higher time frame, you know, you have that's decreasing volume, the greens. It's increasing price, decreasing volume. You want to see increasing volume, not decreasing volume. So you are expecting some kind of something to allow people to add to their positions with increasing volume, at some key level, this is definitely some kind of rounding bottom. Now we need to test. That's really what you're looking for, a nice test. When you have an invalidation like that, then you can take the trade. If that presents itself, that's the trade. 1 SFP, then you take the trade. If that was to happen. Potentially. Or look for lower into the golden pocket, probably. Wherever this high gets to, find the golden pocket. That was quick. What else?